Hello, we're Merging Technologies. My name is Jeremy. I'm a product manager and sales engineer for Merging. This year we're presenting two amazing products. We have our new baby here. It's called Merging Anubis. We have put all our latest developments in converter quality into this device. It has got incredible dynamic range. We have more than 140 dB of dynamic range on the mic pre's. This can do a lot more than just audio analog in and out. We have a rAVe input, and this is fully loaded with tons of DSP. We are developing different applications to run on this device. Right now we have made what we call a monitoring mission. So I can show you here we have a full monitoring controller. I can see my sources, I can see different speaker sets. I can calibrate each legs of my 5.1 monitoring setup. This can do also Dolby Atmos, Auro 3D, any format that you need really. So we can calibrate the gain, the delay, we can EQ each channels, and so that's an amazing monitoring controller unit. And we're going to release soon a music mission. So this device is going to be more targeted for, well, with the music mission, it will be very convenient for musicians. And we're going to develop more applications in the future.
What's your website?
Our website is www.merging.com, and you can get in touch with us anytime.